Well, it's time for a new mod, and this never gets old. Welcome to C8 Tactics. Today I'm with my friend Joel. He just purchased this 2023 C8 Corvette in this beautiful orange color or tint coat. Joel, talk to me. Any mods already?
No mods whatsoever. Trying to keep it original, but you are changing my mind. So
Am I changing your mind?
Yes, sir. You probably get me to change my exhaust.
Oh, sure. Okay. So the reason we're filming today is because I did a mod that I spoke to you guys about, and it's basically the cats. I did eliminated the original cats and I changed it for the 2M Fabrication cats. But I also have another mod, which is the nano air filter, the dry air filter, okay, which is the blue attack or something like that. So that vehicle has two mods. It's the blue filter, the attack, and the 2M Fabrication High Flow Cats. And I believe it's the 200 cell. The 200 cell. Okay, so we're gonna compare now both vehicles on the sound from mod to not modded. His vehicle is not modded. Let's see how it sounds, and let's see how mine sounds, and let's see if he goes and decides to mod his Vette. So we're gonna start filming his vehicle with a cold start. We're gonna go and wait until it warms, and we're gonna give it a few reps, and we're gonna do the same thing with mine and see how it sounds. Okay, Joel, go ahead. That wasn't loud enough. That wasn't loud enough. Just saying. Just wait until it warms up and we'll be back. Now we're gonna rev this thing and see how it sounds. Go ahead, Joel. Okay. Not bad. Not bad. Okay. Now let's see mine. Okay, so we heard yours, and now we're gonna hear mine. Okay? It wasn't bad. It wasn't bad. You feel that it's missing something?
It needs more, and it needs more sound. Yeah.
Okay.
I agree with that. Yeah. It needs
Okay.
Since day one.
Since day one. Okay, let's hear it. What do you think?
Good.
What do you think?
Good. That's awesome. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Okay,
I
okay.
like it. I like it.
Okay. Now we're gonna go with a few reps as soon as warm up. Few reps.
You hear that? That sounded like a beast.
Okay, Joel, you heard yours, you heard mine. I only have the dry nano filter, dry filter, and the 2M Fabrication High Flow Cats. Everything else is stuck, meaning the cat back is stuck.
Okay.
What do you think?
It sounds real good. At first, you know, like
Speak louder.
it sounds real good. You know, like when I bought the Corvette, the sound was something that I definitely didn't like too much because I had a GT, another vehicle before, and it was louder. I know it could go louder, and it was proven. So I want that mod.
You want that mod?
Yeah.
Guys, he wants that mod. I'm not joking. This 2M performance, this high flow cat thing, it changes everything. It changes everything. Okay, so what are your questions?
Well, you already answered kind of like the how what is built. There's not too much of a change for all that high performance noise that it sounds. So I like it. I'm more of an original guy, so to get me to change that, it's a
big
hard.
thing. It's a big thing.
It's a big thing. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
people's
I get it.
original.
I get it. I get it. Any questions?
Well, the questions I got, where you get the model, how you get it.
Okay, so first question is why I got where I got it. I'm gonna leave the description below on the link of the description below where you can find it. It's the 2M Fabrication website. I'm gonna put a short video on this video of the website, so where you can get it and all that. And the link is gonna be in the description. The cost, you haven't asked me about the cost. The cost is around $1,200.
Okay.
For the just for the cats.
Okay.
Just for the cats. That doesn't have to do anything with labor. The labor in this case, it was done by Ricky and Lola MotorSports here in Central Florida. Okay, he is GM mechanic, specific Corvettes and Camaros, anything GM, but specific for Corvettes and Camaros. Any other question?
So you said the price, and what was the mod? That was pretty much it, man. That's
Okay.
amazing.
All right. I know it sounds amazing. I love it too.
I mean, I'm over here.
But let me show you. Let me show you something. Let me show you something. The number for Ricky and Lola is going to be in the description below. One thing that you haven't asked is about the engine light. I don't have an engine light right now, but occasionally, yeah, come on to the camera. Occasionally, does come on the engine light.
Okay.
Does come on. I have a scanner. I just turn off the light whenever it comes out. I went to the track video. It's gonna be on this video. You're gonna see the van on the track. Didn't light up. I was testing the vehicle to see if the light up. It didn't light up on the quarter mile. But this modification is been installed for a few months already. Okay. Something that I haven't installed is this, and it costs I think around $125. I gotta look for the other one. It's one in each side, which is an extension. You see the inner mesh. It has like inner mesh right here. You can see it. I haven't installed this, so I'm not sure.
What is it for?
This is for the O2 sensor.
Okay.
This is for the O2 sensor.
Like
for that, the triggering of the check engine light.
Okay.
So I don't have it installed, and I only had the light on, and being a few months, probably just 4 or 5 times, tops. It didn't came on the drag strip, which it was a surprise for me.
Does it stay on when it comes down?
Huh?
Does it stay on too much?
It does stay on, but the last time I said I'm just gonna turn it off later, and it came off by itself. So but I do have a scanner for that, and that's $125, which I need to install. So this is the Paragon Performance, paragonperf.com website. Once you get on the website, you write L filters on the search box, you hit it, and you're gonna start seeing approximately 20 items that they have. So you start scrolling down, you will see the filter that I was mentioning. That's the actual filter that I have installed on my C8 Corvette. It's the Dry Nano. Here you go. Dry Nano Attack Blue C8 Corvette L filter. Now, the other website is the 2M Fabrication. Shop2mfabrication.com. If you hit the 3 lines and go to C8 Corvette and C06, you're going to start seeing their products. Bear in mind, guys, that like I was telling you, the O2 sensors extensions, this one right here, let me click on it. I haven't installed this, so yeah, I need to install this as for the CEL engine light. Remember, website is going to be on the description below. Here's the picture. You can see it better than when I was showing it to you. Here we go. Then you just keep scrolling down. You're gonna see the High Flow Cats. I believe they're the 200 CEL cats. Something that you're gonna need. I mean, you don't need it, but it will be better and will help you with the temperature in the engine bay is those blankets. The blankets are really good, and this is the interior of the cats. Those blankets are really good and help you with the temperature on the trunk. Now I'm gonna leave you with some other videos. I'm considering installing header and the sound and all that stuff. I want to see how it sounds, and I want your opinions as well. Okay, guys, just leave the comments below if you think I should put the headers. Okay, maybe Joel will like headers too, and we just do a marvelous thing with this thing. Okay, so here is Ethan giving me some pointers for me and how should I perform at the track. Unfortunately, we didn't have a time at the drag strip. Something happened. Also, I couldn't get the launch control, so this was pedal to the metal, but here it is. And we also have the Mech Tech meet. We went to the Mech Tech meet. We took the 370Z with my son, and we did have some fun on the highway. Stay tuned for that. Here on our way to Mech Tech meet Orlando.
Comiendo en un GTR, así quiero estar yo.
Anything for the people watching us?
I love Corvettes, and I love Xpeed Tactics. Follow the channel, please.
There you go. Follow the channel, okay?